Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Yvonne Princess Shabangu. If you are new here, you're welcome to like, subscribe, share and comment, and voila, you're part of the beautiful, the graceful, the wonderful family, the graceful family. Okay guys, it's good to have you back. Thank you so much guys for continuing to share, continuing to subscribe, continuing to like. It's really beautiful to see the channel grow organically. So today we're back with another Employment Wednesdays video. So take a guess what we're talking about today. So today we're talking about starting up a business, right? So I'm going to give you 5 important tips that you need to know when starting up a business. Rule number 1, you have to start. There will never really be a perfect time to start anything, whether it's business, whether it's a job or whatever, but just start. As long as you've got the idea, because money is not a factor. I always hear people say they don't have money, but really guys, money is not a factor. You have to learn to utilize what you have, or utilize what's at your disposal to actually make it to where you want to be. So rule number 1, just start. And whatever you do guys, do not start a business on debt, because I'll tell you something. A lot of people that have successful businesses or businesses that failed would always tell you that you're not going to make profit the first 6 months. If you are lucky or blessed enough, you are probably going to make a profit within a year, right? And also it's not guaranteed, because businesses are unpredictable. You can only hope for the best. So chances are you are likely to make a profit a year later. So you can imagine if you go into debt, especially unnecessarily so, and you're unsure in terms of your business plan on how the business is going to end up. So do not start your business on debt. And then thirdly, have a business plan. Yes, business plans are maybe overrated or you are lazy to do so. But guys, it's very, very important. We learned this from business studies in high school. It's very important that you have a business plan where you lay out your weaknesses, your strengths, what your business is all about, profit you're likely to make, your target market. It helps you see how you can make your business better or who you can approach for sponsorship. But if you have no business plan and you're just moving, you just do everything and anything in terms of your business, yet that's not right, So have a business plan. Number 4, research as much as you can. Research until you're unable to. Here on Employment Wednesdays, we preach research, showing up, excellence and prayer all the time. So do your research as much as you can. Be sure of what you're trying to do. And it goes back to the business plan. If you have a business plan, you know what your business requires, you know what you should do and how to plan around your business, and then you know who to go to. Because also when you do research, you're able to know your target market, the money you will need, the profit you're likely to make, the people within the business, the people you are supposed to network with. And then I think they're not going to be 5. Maybe let's try for 8, because I keep on thinking about a lot of other important things, right? And then it's number 4, 5, right? You have to network. Whether you like it or not, you're not going to make it alone in business, where that line that says no man is an island applies the most. It's in business. You're going to need your connections from your previous workplace or wherever, but you have to network. So that is why I say do research, know the people in your space, and then actually connect yourself with them. And I love what's going on these days. We don't even need to physically meet or physically network. We've got your LinkedIn. You can always network with people within your profession or people doing the kind of business you want to do. We've got Twitter. You can also network. People always post their businesses, their ideas, and you can always link up, DM them. Instagram, Facebook, every social media platform you have can actually be a networking tool for you, right? And then number 5, 6, always know that, always know that you never get old. You never get too old for learning. You continuously learn. And if you want to be a successful business person, you're going to have to learn every single opportunity you have, right? Every single opportunity you have to use it to learn and equip yourself, make yourself better, whether it's the online courses. I also love what the digital world has done for us. There's a lot of online courses, 2 weeks, 1 week. Some of them are free, some of them are not, but Like, there's no way you can say you're not familiar with anything, because there are opportunities for you to learn master classes and stuff like that. So utilize those master classes to actually make yourself a better business person, right, guys? It's very, 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 very important. And then number 8. Okay, we'll make it number 7. Number 7, a businessman knows when to stop. They know when it's not working out. So if you do something 3 times, 2 times, and then you say, oh no, I'm not a quitter. Sometimes you need to apply your wisdom. Is it because you're not a quitter, or is it because you've got the wrong target market? You started the wrong business at the wrong place and stuff like that. So it's very important to always go back and see what your business is doing, and see why your business is not succeeding, or see the strengths that your business has, the weaknesses, And then finally, it's very, very, very important that you delegate. If there's anything you need to do, is delegate. You cannot, at a time where you can afford to actually pay people to do some stuff for you, utilize people around you. I know and I know it's not everyone's case, but I have a very great support system, and I'm such a great support system. So when my friends need anything, when I have the time on my hands, I'm always the first one to say, yes, I can help. Do that for my sisters, do that for my family, or anything of sort. So have people around you that are always willing to assist. Some people, I saw the other time, DJ Zinhle, she was packaging her brand with her daughter. She didn't have, maybe she does pay her daughter commission, but I don't think she had to. It's like her daughter was lending a hand, and she was teaching her daughter a skill. So also always remember, it's important to ask yourself, what am I giving back? What am I selling? Who am I selling to? Ask yourself the most relevant questions, right? It is important to research, delegate, equip yourself, have a business plan, and don't start a business on debt. Always ask for help, research, attend master classes. Like, ask yourself the right question. Who am I selling to? What am I selling? Are they gonna buy? Is this a profitable business? And more than anything, do network as much as you can. Utilize your social media platforms for the right reason. I love that we live in a very digital world, so it's easy to actually network. It's easy to actually sell your brand and sell yourself, and know when to stop. If something is not working out, try something else. I'm not saying be a quitter, but I'm saying be wise. Use your wisdom, right? And also follow the people that are in the business that you want to do. Like, you want to be an award-winning YouTuber, follow award-winning YouTubers. You want to be a platinum superstar, follow those kind of people. You want to sell hair, follow those people. See what kind of hair people are buying and stuff like that. But surround yourself with the people you want to be like, or the people that are doing the same things that you're aspiring to do. Then you get to learn the do's and the don'ts, because not everything that you do must, like, you don't have to experience everything at first-hand experience. Sometimes you can just learn from people and be like, oh, this is not gonna work out, I can try to do it the other way, right? Thank you guys so much for coming to Employment Wednesdays. Continue sharing, continue liking, continue subscribing. Don't forget to tell your friends to tell their friends to actually come through, because it's a place of happiness, it's a place of love, it's a place of faith. And do not forget to pray for another person. Do not forget to be light, to be love, be kindness. And I am praying for every unemployed person, and I'm praying for every person looking to start up a business. God's got you. Continue praying. God bless you.